Hello friends, today in this video I am going to show you the latest collections of plus size nighties we have just received. So before I show you the collections, I am going to show you the size so that you can believe what I say. This is truly a big size nightie. So this is 4XL and the fabric is pure cotton. Let me show you closely. It's a nice cotton fabric. The price you see, it's around 550 rupees. We have some nice lovely colors and prints. Before I show you the prints, let me open and show you the size. Let's see this. See friends, once again I show 4XL. All you have to do is, you want to see whether this is fitting you or no, take your nightie and measure the chest size. Measure chest size. See, I am going to show you the measurement of this 4XL. Based on this, you can buy the size whichever you want. See, we start from here. Just measure chest size, comes up to here. See, this comes 32 and a half. See, the chest size you have to see right below your sleeves. See this? You can see the chest, see, now you can see it clearly. Just measure chest size. So 4XL 90, this is the chest size. If your chest size is a little less than this will surely fit you. So you can buy home delivery from us. We can deliver to your home. Just WhatsApp us and we send you the various designs which are available, and once you select and pay, we can immediately dispatch and provide you the tracking number. Let me show you the length of the nightie. Let us see the length of the nightie, friends. I hope the inch tape is sufficient. See this length nightie. What's the length, madam? The length you can see, we'll see behind here. So the length is coming around 59. One minute, let me show you once again. We are starting from here, inches. I'm going to show you in inches. The length of this nightie is exactly comes 60 inches. See, the inch tape is getting over here. It comes 60 inches of this nightie. The length is big. There's an option, you can always get it altered. Now let me show you some designs, friends. Let's see. First, I'll show you the various colors which are available in 4XL. See, all this is 4XL size. We can deliver to your home. All cotton nighties. All complete 4XL. We have lovely collections of nighties just come. Right. Let's move to 3XL. Let me show you one 3XL nightie, friend. See, this is 3XL Juhi nightie. The chest size of we'll see the chest size of the 3XL nightie. Then you can decide. We have L, XL, XXL, 3XL, 4XL nighties. See, the chest size is 29. See this, 29. Right. See, this also we have some colors and print. I'll keep showing you, friend. We can deliver all throughout India. Just message us your chest size, and based on your size, we'll give you the best nightie collection. So look at this, friend. We have amazing designs of nighties. All this is 3XL. See what you're seeing, everything is 3XL, friend. What we show in the video is what we will give you. We are very genuine in collections and pricing. What we show in the video is what you will get. Everything is 3XL, 4XL. So do get to us. We'll be happy to serve you, friends. Thank you so much.